friends, let's continue with our series. For the lecture number 24, we have file handling in Java. Let's learn about it. File handling in Java is used to create, read, write, and modify files on the system. It is essential for applications that need to store data permanently or access existing data. Java provides file handling support through classes in java.io and java.nio packages. The file class is commonly used to represent files and directories. Using the file class, you can check if a file exists, create or delete files or folders, and get file properties like name, size, and path. For reading and writing content in files, classes like file reader, file writer, buffer reader, and buffer writer are used. File operations often throw exceptions, especially IO exception, which is the input-output exception. So proper exception handling is necessary. File handling in Java allows efficient and flexible management of the data outside of memory. Alright, so guys, file handling is used to create, read, write, and modify files on your system. It is essential for applications that need to store your data or that need to access your existing data. Java provides the file handling through the classes in the java.io and the java.nio packages. The file class is commonly used to represent files and directories, and using the file class you can check if a file class exists, creates or delete files or folders, and get file properties like name, size, and path. So these are the few points you have to remember regarding the file handling. It is a pretty straightforward topic. It is used for efficient and flexible management of the data outside of memory. This is one of the main reasons it is used. Now have a look at the code. The files and libraries are imported in the Java. The class is created with the name file handling example. The public static void main string args. Then we have the try block. It will be creating a new file object. The file object is here created. Next we will check if the file is created or if it is already existing. Once we check it, we'll put an output file created along with the name of the file, or if the file already exists, we will print the output accordingly. Then we will write some text onto our file writer equal to new file writer using the file writer class. Then we have the file name. Then we write something on it, for example a string hello. This is a file handling example in Java. Then we close our writer. Finally we read the contents of the file reader equal to new reader. File name, we have to enter the exact same name of the file that we have written, right? The name should be same because we are trying to access this file. After that, while the data equal to reader.read not equal to -1, which means while this is not empty. Alright, system.out.print char data. Alright, the character data we will be printing. And finally reader.close to close it. And since you are using the try block, once we do the try block to check for the exception and handle the exception, after that we'll have a catch block in order to check for input output exception that will handle any exceptions related to the input output. And finally system.out.println, an error occurred, e.printstack trace. Alright, so that's how you deal with the file handling. I hope you were able to understand. Thank you for watching the video.